Let me ask you something real. When was the last time you trusted yourself completely? Not hoped, not guessed. Trusted. Trusted your decisions. Trusted your instincts. Trusted that when you said you were going to do something, you actually would. If that question made you uncomfortable, good, because this video is for you. Most people don't lose confidence overnight. They lose self-trust first. And without self-trust, confidence collapses. You hesitate. You overthink. You second-guess everything. You wait for reassurance. You ask everyone else what to do, except yourself. And slowly, you stop believing in your own word. The real reason you don't trust yourself. You don't trust yourself because you've broken promises to yourself too many times. You said you'd start, you didn't. You said you'd change, you didn't. You said this time is different. It wasn't, and every time that happens, your mind takes note, not consciously but internally. Your brain learns one thing. Your words don't mean much anymore. That's not self-hate. That's conditioning. Self-trust is built the same way it's destroyed, through repetition. Habit 1. You talk more than you act. Most people think confidence comes from motivation. It doesn't. Confidence comes from evidence. And right now, you don't trust yourself because you've been talking more than you've been doing. Plans without execution. Intentions without action. Dreams without discipline. So your mind stops listening to you. If you want self-trust back, stop announcing. Start executing quietly. Let actions speak where words failed. Habit 2. You avoid hard decisions. Every time you avoid a hard choice, you weaken self-trust. Staying instead of leaving. Scrolling instead of working. Comfort instead of effort. Your mind learns. When things get uncomfortable, we fold. And why would you trust someone like that? Self-trust grows when you do the hard thing, even when no one is watching. Especially then, habit 3. You look outside yourself for permission. You weren't born needing approval. You learned it. At some point, you stopped trusting your own judgment and started outsourcing it. Friends, social media, opinions, validation. But the more you ask the world what to do, the quieter your inner voice becomes. Clarity doesn't come from more opinions. It comes from commitment to your own. Habit 4. You don't finish what you start. This one matters. Starting builds hope. Finishing builds identity. Every unfinished project tells your mind, we quit. Every finished task, even small ones, tells your mind, we follow through. Self-trust is rebuilt by finishing one task, one promise, one decision at a time. You don't lack confidence. You lack proof that you can rely on yourself, proof that your word means something again. And here's the good news. Self-trust isn't found. It's earned. Every time you do what you said you would do, even when it's boring, uncomfortable, or hard, your confidence returns. Not loud confidence, not fake confidence, real confidence. The kind that doesn't need approval, the kind that doesn't panic, the kind that stands firm. Stop asking, how do I feel? Start asking, did I do what I said I would? That's how you trust yourself again. And once you trust yourself, everything else follows.